This is Harless58 signing on to do a sort of unboxing and application of a screen protector that I purchased from Amazon. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It's called the Tethys glass screen protector designed for the iPhone XS Max. 3-pack edge-to-edge coverage, full protection, durable tempered glass, blah, blah, blah. $13.99 for 3 pieces. It's pretty good. And the one thing that I liked is it comes with this it's like let's see if there's a picture of it. Of course, it's not going to show. But it's supposed to come with like this little guide that shows you how to apply it, which is pretty cool. Comes with installation right here. Comes with installation guidance frame to assist with the application process. So I figured I'll go ahead and unbox it and then just do this live and see if this is really as simple and easy as they say. Okay, let's go ahead and take it from out of the packaging. And so no edits, as you guys know from my videos. I'm just going to do this live. Cool. So pretty decent construction for the packaging. Cool. Go ahead and rip this off. If you guys want to see some of the specs here: box content, tempered glass screen protector, alcohol cleaning wipe, dry wipe cloth, guidance, blah blah blah. Cool QR code for installation guide. All right. Now, I will say that most of the time these applications require precise handling when doing this. And I'm doing this from behind the camera, but I'm going to try and do this as best as possible. This is the box. Here's 1, 2, 3 applications. And then register your lifetime warranty for 14 days, blah, blah, blah. So it has like alcohol wipes in here and the pad, and I think this is the guide axis. So this is everything that comes included. So I'm gonna step to the side and do this. Hey Google, set kitchen lights to maximum brightness.
Okay, setting the kitchen lights brightness to 100%.
Set dining room lights to maximum brightness.
Sure, setting the dining room lights brightness to 100%.
Turn on cabinet lights. Okay, I got a little bit brighter. So 1, 2, 3 alcohol white pads, and then
You got it, turning on 2
here
lights.
to help get the guide sticker. Thank you. Cool. And then just some information.
Looks like we're stuck in a thank loop. Thanks for thanking me.
So this information on how to apply. So step 1, use the wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen. Use the dry wipe to ensure all dust and liquid has been removed. Place the screen protector guidance frame on top of the phone and mount it on the phone. Snugly according to the imprinted text on the frame. All right. And so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll stop at 3. Okay. So let's get all this stuff out of the way. Right. So let's get the device. iPhone XS Max is right here. I'm gonna take it from out of this. So this right here is the Spigen. I'll tell you guys which one it is exactly. It's one of the Spigen cases. I'll tell you guys, like I said, about that in a second. Let's go ahead and get this autofocus back on. Cool. So the wet wipe first. So we'll go ahead and open up the wet wipe and get this nice and clean. You guys are probably wondering about my impressions on the iPhone XS Max so far. I will post a full review probably this weekend. So I'll use the wet wipe to get everything off. Cool, that's done. Now we're gonna use number 2, dry wipe. Let's go back. Just to make sure that we got everything. Okay, so now it says for number 3, place the screen protector guidance frame on top of the phone and mount it on the phone snugly according to the imprinted text on the frame. Okay, so this is the frame here. It says align the glass along the edge. So this is the top and this is the bottom. Cool, so it says mount it on top here as instructed. So I don't know if this is supposed to go in here snugly. Yeah, so it looks like it's a snug fit here. Don't want to mess anything up. Hold on a second. There. So it's a pretty snug fit. Goes right on top there. That's cool. Okay. Next step. Dab the sticker side. Here we go. Dab the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amounts of debris on the screen. Cool. So that would be these right here. And it comes with a bunch of these, and it's 3 of them in general, as you see, because it's 3 different screen protectors, 3 different alcohol preps, right? We already used 1 of them, and then 3 of these stickers. So, dust absorber, that's the one they said to use? Yeah. Cool, so we're just gonna go ahead and do like that. Make sure there wasn't any debris that fell on top. So far, this is very similar to almost any tempered glass screen protector application. The white stone dome I've done before a couple of times actually. It's pretty good, but it's just really expensive. So it'll be interesting to see how this is. And there was no was it the white stone dome? One of those is not available as of yet for the iPhone XS Max. So, and at $13.99, this is definitely a lot cheaper than what that's usually going for around $60. Okay, so that's done. That was number 4. Number 5, remove the bottom protective layer by gently pressing down on the indicated tab until the 2 separate. Oh no. No, okay, did that. Dab the sticker. Remove the bottom protective layer. Okay, so here they don't specify this, but they're referring to the actual tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so again, remove the bottom protective layer by gently pressing down on the indicated tab until the 2 separate. So here. Fancy. That actually looks pretty cool. I like the color combination here. You guys can go ahead and read that if you want to. Okay, so it said to remove the bottom protective layer by gently pressing down on the indicated tab until the 2 separate. So like this. Okay. Without touching the sticky side of the protector, gently tap. Sorry, I want you guys to see this. Without touching the sticky side of the protector, gently tap the top of the protector to the top side of the frame, making sure the protector falls exactly between the frame. And then next it says, slowly drop the screen protector onto the screen. Always make sure the top edge of the screen protector is adjacent to the top side of the assistive frame. So, without touching the sticky side of the protector, gently tap the top of the protector to the top side of the frame. Okay. Slowly drop it. Slowly dropping it as indicated. Okay. So I slowly dropped it, as you guys saw. It says tap the center of the screen protector. Oh, I was supposed to do that, and it's going to start to adhere, but as you guys can see, it's sort of already started to do that. If there are any bubbles, use your fingers to press down and drive the bubbles out. Your phone is now protected. So now, just go ahead and push like that. Get all these bubbles out. And I do want to do this in real time so you guys can see roughly how long it takes to apply this. Should take you guys a little bit less time because obviously I'm doing this from behind the camera and I'm trying to read the instructions with you guys. Just driving all these bubbles out right now. So now I'm just gonna pick this up, and it's easier to do this by lifting it. Some bubbles on the side. Those, you know, the tiny bubbles are always the hardest ones to get out, right? So almost there. And of course you don't want to press too hard, because if you press too hard, you'll crack the tempered glass. So it's like a finesse. And no, this video is not sponsored by Tethys, although if they did want to sponsor me, hit me up, let me know. And try these on different devices. But so far, this is what it looks like. I still have a couple more all the way at the bottom. Don't know if you guys can see those down here. So I'm still trying to get out. Yeah, so this is just the part that nobody likes to do, and unfortunately this usually takes the longest time sometimes. I will say, if I'm just gonna go ahead and compare these now to like the white stone dome tempered glass screen protector, with that one, the protector has some sort of adherent on it already, but really what makes it stick is it's like a liquid, like lacquer or something like that, that you actually have to cure under UV light, and that is what makes it stick. And because of that, it's very, very tough to get any bubbles with that, the way that that's set up. It's pretty cool, it's a nice device, but like I said, it's pretty pricey at $60. And then to replace it, it's like another $39 or something like that. So, I mean, to protect a $1,000, $1,200 phone, it's not that bad, but still in terms of tempered glass screen protectors, the prices should be going down, and in that particular instance, the price is up. Looks like I screwed this up because I have a little bubble here, and it's not going away because I got a little piece of hair underneath the screen protector. So again, when you guys are doing this, make sure that you clean off the device as clean as possible. And I think that the reason why this happened for me is just because I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. So Harless58 signing off. And let me make sure that, let me see if there's anything in here about how you're supposed to remove this, because I don't want to pull that thing off. No, nothing. Okay. But this guide thing is pretty snug in the way that, you know, it sticks to the phone, which is cool. And it does help to make sure that you're edge to edge with how you're setting this thing up. So I do like that. No knocks against that. So all in all, at $13.99 for a 3-pack, not many things that I can say negative about this product. I like it. I wish that I didn't have this bubble at the bottom, but that's on me, just because I'm trying to do a bunch of things at one time and trying to make this video, so I'll take it. So it's Harless58 signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Tethys glass screen protector on Amazon for $13.99. It's a 3-pack. I don't think you can really go wrong with that. I mean, it's a screen protector, and at $13.99, you can't go wrong at that price for 3 of them. I just wanted to show you guys the Spigen. So the case that I have is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, and I think I got this for, I'll show you right here, Spigen Ultra Hybrid, $11.99. And a lot of the times with these cases, sometimes things don't fit, so I'll go ahead and put it on just so I can verify that if this works with the case. And yes, it does. So awesome. Harless58 signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was a little lengthy, but I just wanted to go ahead and apply it in front of you guys. Full iPhone XS Max review coming soon. Yep, the Apple Watch unboxing for the 4 should be coming soon. Right now I have the 3. Long story short, I enjoy it. I like the 3. I just have it as a loaner until I get the 4 in. So again, Harless58 signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.